Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Redmi Note 10s. And this is one of the best budget devices which you can buy with the Super AMOLED screen, 5000 mAh battery, and the Helio G95 processor. And the performance is quite good, guys. I've been using this for about 15 days, and you can say this is like my quick review also. So let us just unbox and check out what else we get in the box. And the phone looks really gorgeous in this blue color. Let us just check out what else we get in the box. And Xiaomi have done a great job, guys, when it comes to charging etc, because now we are getting the 33-watt charger which we get with their somewhat like a mid-range phones. And the quality is also good. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to press the bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also like this particular video and share it with your friends and family, guys. And we get this manual and this case which is quite okayish like, and I personally like this blue color, guys, and the finishing is quite good. If you see, this is much more better than the Redmi Note 10 Pro. I would say the 10s is one of the good looking phones, and this comes with a matte finish, guys, so definitely do need to check out. I don't even feel like putting a case because this phone looks that good, guys. And I think this is the best color in the Note lineup, so definitely get this compared to the other one. And for sale I got it for a very discounted rate, so I just purchased this. And let me just unlock and show it to you after setting it up. And there are bloatwares, guys, like this Netflix and all, but then you can easily remove them, so it's no brainer in this. And but I really don't know why companies like Xiaomi, they still bundle this, and certain apps you cannot remove, guys, so you need to put the platform tools and then maybe remove them through ADB commands. And also again, I'll be doing a dedicated video, so stay subscribed for more tips and tricks. Also, let me just talk about something like the camera, guys. And the camera is sort of a mid-ranger, don't expect much from this, but the picture quality is decent enough, as you can use this, but don't expect something like crazy quality like iPhone and all. But then I think this is a decent camera setup which we have. Let me not so much comment it. I will be doing a full review of this phone, so y'all can stay subscribed to this, and y'all can just uninstall this bloatware and all. And the performance, guys, after using for 15 days, I did not find any sluggishness with this. And even if you buy the base model, guys, it will be more than enough. Again, people who are buying this, they are not buying this for the game, they are buying for the AMOLED display and a better battery life. And as you can see, it have some other things, even like the always on display, which is very rare for phones under 15,000. And even the display quality is quite good, guys, especially for watching consuming content like something like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. This is quite good. Let me just show you how it feels, the always on display. I can even put something like a clock face, and this will be on throughout. So yeah, Xiaomi does the great job in these watch faces, but I wish they also provide you an option just to put some customized faces and all. Again, the keyboard is quite okay, but then you need to swap this with something like the Google board. And I feel again, this mid-ranger is definitely for everyone who is looking for a very good smartphone for under 15,000. And basically 5G is going to come maybe in the future. Then by that time these devices will get old. I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.